Hello, 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 hello. Hi, how is everyone doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just wanted to pop in here right quick and do a little goodie planner haul. What have I received? Type goodies, and what am I up to? You can tell that I'm a little bit far away from the camera. It's because I didn't put everything close to me like I was supposed to. So yeah, that's why it sounds like I'm far away. But I'm here. Look, look, look. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. So I just want to do a quick little video on what have I received lately in the mail. This is like a haul slash kind of up to what am I up to right now type video. So in my last videos, I showed you some projects that I started on. I'll have to do a separate video about those projects because I think I'm not gonna have enough time in this one because this is gonna take enough time, as you can see from the wall. Ooh, yes, some goodies on there. But I just want to talk about some goodies that I have received in the mail. I received some planner kits. This one is from So Cute Planner. I'm going to try to have that so you guys can see it. I think the lighting is doing not so good. I noticed that when the sun goes down, the lighting doesn't do as good as I wanted to, so I apologize. But this is from So Cute Planner. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that lavender. That is beautiful. I love that lavender. It's just gorgeous. Second page of the kit. Third page of the kit. Fourth page of the kit with that bottom washer. Look at that bottom washer. That is gorgeous. Fifth page of the kit. So all the kits that I have gotten from this particular company, which is So Cute Planner. Let's see here. So Cute Planner. Can you focus for me? Will you focus for me? Ah, look at there. Focus. Yes. So Cute Planner. Even better. So Cute Planner. So that is where I got this kit from. I also received this kit from So Cute Planner as well. This is a Harry Potter kit, as you can see from the hat, the sorting hat here on the bottom. And then we can see here from the Deathly Hallows. We can see here from Harry's Owl. All right. And I also got another package from her. This one, like I said, I'm probably going to have to do a separate video on because this has a lot of things in there. And like I said, I think I'm going to run out of time. So I'm going to do a separate video and I'm going to talk about all of the pieces of the kits that I got from So Cute Planner. Yes. My next happy mail is from Being Bethany Rose on Instagram. Her company name is Doc Plock Design, but if you look her up on Instagram from Being Bethany Rose, that's how you will find her. Here, you can see there, Being Bethany Rose. That's how you'll find her on Instagram. When I saw she had gnomes, I was like, yes, yes, and yes. I must have the gnomes. I must have all the gnomes. I love the gnomes. Look at that. Look at that gnome right there. Look at that. He's adorable. Look at him with his balloons. And look at the color on that. Look at that. Bright color. Yes. I'm here. Yes. Look at him. Look at him. I'm going to go ahead and name him a him. I'll give him a name soon. But this is my very first order that I received from, there's her information, Being Bethany Rose. She is a shop out of the UK. I am very happy with my order. I love these bright colors. They are the business. They are the business. I must say the brightness is all that and then some. Look at those. That's just gorgeous. That's just gorgeous. That is just one of the orders that I got from her. Here's the other part. Here's the thank you that she gave me. My nice little freebie. Look at my gnome. Look at that gnome. I must say, I would not have known about the gnomes if it had not been for Crystal over at the Peach Posse, the Peach Palmetto. If you've not heard of her, go check her out. She is on Instagram. Crystal is the owner of the Peach Posse, and I want to thank her for her service because she is a Air Force veteran. I thank her for her service. But she also has a shop on Instagram, so go check her out. The Peach Palmetto. I do believe she's out of Georgia, if I'm not mistaken. Look at those gnomes. It's because of her. She posted her haul on Instagram, and I was like, oh, where did you get those gnomes, girl? I was like, yes, I have to. I love this. That is the business. What? Look at all that color on that. You can't go wrong with that. If you don't like color, so sad for you. So sad. Look at those gnomes. Look at them. Look at them. They just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I love her kits. This is not my first and only order. She has specials all the time. So like I said, go check out her website, which again is beingbethanyrose.com. And she is also on Instagram, same way, Being Bethany Rose. That's her handle, her IG handle. So go ahead and check her out. Also on Instagram. Can you tell I have a fetish for these gnomes? I mean, just look at that. Look at that. I mean, it should tell you something. It should tell you something. I adore him. He is gorgeous. Love him. Look at these kits. Look at these kits. You can't go wrong. I don't know what I did when I cut the envelope. Look at that print. Look at that print. Love it. Love it. It's like give me life. Print, give me life. Yes. Look at that. It's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. So that was my second place that I got a kit from and some planner Happy Mail goodies. And my third one is from Pretty Cute Planner. Once again, she is on Instagram. Go ahead and check her out. Pretty Cute Planner. There's her information right there for you. Pretty Cute Planner. Yes, she's on Instagram as well. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, the sloths. The sloths are giving me life. I am going to try to get this to focus better. Like, oh my gosh, look at that sloth. Look at that sloth giving me life. Like, for real. All right, so her kits are on 2 pages. So instead of me trying to hold all these at one time, let me just hold one kit at a time. So this is kit number 1. This kit is a EC Fairy Sparkle. It is a EC kit on 2 pages. Next 2-page kit is also a EC kit. This is called Let's Bake Stuff. I mean, like, why not? Hello, we're home. We ain't doing nothing else. We ain't got nothing else better to do. Of course we can bake some stuff. I also got this with this glitter bomb. Look at that. Look at the glitter on there. Look at that glitter. So cute. Yes. My next kit is a Valentine's Day kit. Once again, it's a 2-page kit that has the date headers on it. And then this has all the full boxes on it. Look at that. Aw, Valentine's. And then this one is my last kit from her for now. Not forever, for now. This one is a homeschool. So I like to tell people that technically you're not homeschooling. Homeschooling's curriculum looks completely different than what you're doing. You are doing virtual schooling. You are doing distance learning. So I try to tell people, listen, this is not homeschooling. Homeschooling curriculum looks completely different than what you have here. This is virtual learning. This is distance learning. And the last thing that I got is from Joann's. Oh, anybody who has fallen down that rabbit hole of making the mask, this makes your life a lot easier. This is called bias tape. And I just got random colors because it really does not matter what color I use for my bias tapes. This is very essential for making the mask go, the process of making a mask go a little bit faster. I also got some more hooks, and I'll show you why. I got more hooks. And then the last thing I got is this sticker pad. Sorry, it is not a sticker pad. It is a paper pad. There's 24 sheets on there. Girl power. And who's that girl? Yes, that is Miss Girl there. Check her out on Instagram, Damask Love. Yes, that is Miss Amber giving us all the business. This pad has 24 pages. It's big. It's 12 by 12. It's huge. It's massive. It's gorgeous. It's giving the business. All the life is in there. Yes. Yes. So that was the last part of my small but mighty haul. Thank you for coming out. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.